Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you where are Google downloaded videos available on your Android mobile. That may be Android, even on the iPhone also this works. So just for this tutorial purpose only, what I'll do is I'll open Chrome. I'll just download a sample video so that I'll be showing you where exactly this is getting saved and how you can get the access of those. So I'll select a MP4 video to download, just a sample one. Okay, that may be from any website. Okay, so I have just browsed through Google and downloading a small MP4 video. See here, this is the MP4 video. I'll be clicking on these three dots, clicking on download. See here, the download started. You can click on these details and get to the location of the video, or simply you can click on the three dots here in the Chrome itself at the top right and click on this download bar section, and this is the just now downloaded video, and click on the settings here at the top. You will get the download location, exact download location. See here, this is the exact download location, but it is hard to reach it here. So what you can do is, there is a default file manager on your Android mobile, which is Google Files app. Open the Google Files app. See here, click on this categories, under categories downloads, tap on this downloads, and here you will see the latest downloaded video. See this one, this is what you can just, if you click on this file info here, you will have the storage location, storage emulated 0 download file exit. This is the file name. Okay, and this is where you can actually see the download location or the Google downloaded files. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.